Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, today we have Xiaomi 11 Ultra with 108 megapixel camera. So guys, today we are going to install SIM card SD card on this phone. So guys, now you tell, will SD card will be installed on this phone or not? Comment. So guys, first step, power of the phone. Hold the power key and power of the phone. Here phone is powered off. Now I am using eject tool. Here you can see SIM slot is on lower side and nearby charging. Here I am using two SIM card. You cannot use SD card, and here you can see how I am installing SIM card and inserting SIM card into the phone. Now I will power on the phone. Let me check how much time it takes to reboot. So guys, reason for making video is you cannot insert SD card into Xiaomi 11 Ultra. So guys, here phone is powered on and I am waiting for its how much time it takes to reboot. So guys, here you can see very fast, and upper side you can see network. Thank you for